Refraction of light at plane surfaces. Class 10 physics, and also useful for intermediate 12th class physics. So what about relative refractive index? Consider it is a medium of light. It is a medium of light. First medium, second medium. Refractive index n1, refractive index n2. And it is a normal. It is an interface separating both media. Speed of light v1 in the medium 1, speed of light v2 in the medium 2. Now what is a relative refractive index? Relative refractive index is denoted by n21 or n12. But what about this? n21 or n12. 2 means second medium, 1 means first medium. First medium, second medium. That is second medium refractive index n2, first medium refractive index n1. So first, what about n21? So n21 means we are comparing refractive index of medium 2 with medium 1. So n21 is nothing but relative refractive index of medium 2 with respect to WRT, means with respect to medium 1. So relative refractive index of medium 2 with respect to medium 1 is denoted by n21. So this implies n21 is nothing but ratio between refractive index of medium 2. Refractive index of medium 2 is n2 and refractive index of medium 1 is n1. So this is n21, or it is also equal to ratio between speed of light in the first medium and the speed of light in the second medium. So relative refractive index of second medium with respect to first medium is given by n2 by n1, or it is also equal to v1 by v2. v1 means speed of light in the first medium and v2 means speed of light in the second medium. Similarly, n1 by n2 or n12 is equals to v2 by v1. So ratio between refractive index of medium 1 and the refractive index of medium 2 is called a relative refractive index of first medium with respect to second medium. So here n1 means it is a first medium, n2 means second medium. So first medium refractive index by second medium and refractive index is called n12. It is a relative refractive index of medium 1 with respect to medium 2. So it is also equal to v2 by v1. v2 means speed of light in the second medium and v1 means speed of light in the first medium. So it is a relative refractive index. So now relative refractive index has no units. Relative refractive index has no units, similar to refractive index. So now what is the relation between n21 and n12? Relation between n21 and n12. So we know that from here n12 is equal to n1 by n2. It is equation 1. And n21 is equals to n2 by n1. So we are writing n21 is n21 by 1. So you know n by 1 is equals to n, n1 by 1 is equals to n. Similarly, n21 by 1 is equals to n21. So to derive the relation between these two, just n21 is divided with 1. So on dividing n21 with 1, we can get n21 because n21 by 1 and anything by 1 is equals to that one only. So equal to n2 by n1. For our requirement it is written. N21 is written as n21 by 1. Now we are taking a reciprocals, means that we are reversing both sides, the denominator and numerator position. We are writing n21 by 1 as 1 by n21. 1 by n21. Then it will be equal to n1 by n2 because left side is reciprocal taken and right side also reciprocal are taken, reversed. So from equation 1, n1 by n2. From equation 1, 1 by n21 is equals to n1 by n2 means here from equation 1, n1. This is, or it can be written as n21 is equals to 1 by n12. This is, so relation between n21 and n12 formula. Now we have an example on this important one as a problem, numerical problem. So an example problem on the relative refractive index. Refractive index of glass relative to water is 9 by 8. Then what is the refractive index of water relative to glass? Important one for a 2 marks question or 1 mark question. Consider refractive index of glass relative to water is taken as refractive index of glass relative to water is taken as n21 is a 9 by 8. Then refractive index of water relative to glass is taken as n12. It is question mark. We want to calculate. In the previous minute we derived the formula showing a relation between n21 and n12. So n12 is equals to 1 by n21. So this implies n12 is equals to n21 means 9 by 8. So 1 by 9 by 8. So this implies n12 is equals to, it is 8 by 9. So relative refractive index is nothing but comparing the refractive index of one medium with another medium. N21 means comparing a refractive index of second medium with refractive index of first medium. N12 means comparing the refractive index of first medium with refractive index of second medium. So n21 is equals to n2 by n1, n12 is equals to n1 by n2. But we can also calculate the relative refractive index by using speeds of light. So n21 is equals to v1 by v2, n12 is equals to v2 by v1 because speed of light and refractive index are in inversely proportional relationship. In the next video, we explain critical angle topic.